demo time again. So let's go ahead and look at creating shares and looking at shares. All right, so let's go to our computer management. So right click on this computer, go to manage. Let's go ahead and minimize this guy. So here we can go to shared. So here's our shares. Again, here's all our administrative shares. So here I have 2 drives. So I have an E and a C. Again, you can see those are dollar signs. Here we can see the Windows directory like we talked about. Here under this connection here, this will show you how many connections we have. Currently we don't have anybody connected. Here we can see how many sessions from where, how long they've been idled, and what files are open. So it's kind of nice. So it does give you some pretty nice features there. So we can essentially, view the list, change the icons, things like that. So here's how easy it is to create a folder. So let's open up our C drive. We can, make a folder called data, whatever we want to call it. And then from here we can make individual folders like public, and we can right click on it, go to properties, go to share, and hit share. So by default this is the owner because I'm logged in. I can just say by everybody, click add. Here everybody can have read. We can do read and write, that's all we can do. So if we make it read, everybody can just read the files. They can't make changes no matter what you are. If you're an admin, even if you're an admin on the computer, because you're connected remotely, you can't. So you want to make it read and write. And the reason why you do that, so here we can see, here's my computer name. So it's / computer name / the share. And then under security is where we want to make granular rights. So we can go in here, if we had additional people, we can click add and add additional people. I don't have any additional people in here. And then from here, we can create groups, or if we were joined to a domain, this computer was joined to the domain, we can connect to the domain and pick groups from the domain and then give them the appropriate rights to this folder. So by default, everybody has these rights, so we can remove that so not everybody's in that group. And we can say, so let's say maybe we want authenticated users, so we can go here, look for users. So these are different groups and users kind of batched in together. So we can say anybody that's a member of the user container can access these files. So we can have them list, read, and execute. They can't write, so if we want them to write, we can set up write and modify. So they can't take a document and change it, that would be modifying. So we'd want to give them that right. We don't want to give them full control. We want to give them enough controls that they can do whatever they want to do. And that's essentially it. So anybody who doesn't have a user account on this machine would not be able to access this folder. That's pretty much how you'd set these things up. Nothing terribly hard. The key is you want to have NTFS running. So how do you know? You just right click, go on your hard drive that you want to share, the root of it, and then here it tells you the file system. Easy pleasy. That's how easy it is to create a share. And the same thing with a printer. You have to have a printer driver installed, and then you just follow the share steps for that too. All right, thanks for watching.